Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Tuesday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it. Turkey Day is coming. We got Black Friday deals going on right now. And this is one of them. You guys can check them out. Everybody knows what this is by now. And it's the Amazon Fire Stick 4K. We're going to set it up. All that good stuff. But you can get this for under $30 or actually under $40 right now. 4K HDR. You get all programs. Got Amazon Prime. You guys can sign up for Amazon Prime if you guys don't have it. It's free to sign up. I'll leave the link down below for that. Amazon Music, you get it free for 30 days. And if you guys join the Amazon Audible, you get 2 free Audible books when you sign up for free. And Twitch Prime, you get free gaming loot. That'll be down below also. And also, they have Amazon Home Services where they'll find you local services to set up, like computers, lawn services, and everything else. Really cool. You guys got some free time, check it out. I have the links down below. Hold on one sec. Alright, there we go. I think I'm coming down with the flu. But this is a Fire Stick 4K. Got Hulu, Netflix, ESPN, Sling. And I think they give you a promotional credit for 3 free months of Sling. And I'm going to have to set that up today. So, pretty much. Alexa 4K Ultra HD. Dolby Vision, quad-core, Wi-Fi. Let's open it up right now. And also, I'm doing Amazon Live. I'll leave down the link down below. You guys can check me out going live almost every day now. But I'm still on YouTube, so there we go. There we go. One more to cut. There we go. I'm going to set this up in my room because I got the 4K Ultra. So we'll go upstairs in a second. We got the manual Fire Stick 4K right there. But really easy to set up. Alexa voice. Cable. And here's the adapter. HDMI. And we got the power. Take this off right here. There. Now, we got batteries, alright. And here's the Fire Stick. Take that out. And you can buy accessories for your remote, like the grips they have. Here's the remote. Voice activated. And a little tricky sometimes pulling out. Oh. There we go. Pulling out the battery. There we go. 2 AA or AAA. Like I said, if you guys need batteries, I'll have that links. Also, get the Amazon Basics. These last a while too, so a really good price also on the batteries they have. They got double A's and pretty much all of them. So right there, pretty simple. And like I said, I'm gonna go upstairs and usually connect like this. Like so. And usually take this cord and hook it up to hook it up to wrong way. Oh boy, it's been a long day. Here we go. Pretty simple. And you take this guy right here, this tiny little dude, and you shove it in down the side pocket. Right there. Easy peasy. There you go. Pretty cool. And next time you'll see me, we'll be upstairs. Time to teleport. You. Alrighty, YouTubers, we have the Fire Stick 4K set up. We got pretty much all my apps installed. I did Netflix, Prime Video, IDMB, YouTube, HBO Stars, Amazon Music, and then WWE, Apple TV. Been watching Entourage, Hulu, Sling, Prime, and these are the ones I watched. Oh yeah, great movie right here. Definitely recommend that one. This is definitely a good series to watch. Jack Ryan. I got HBO, Stars, Showtime, Cinemax. These are my channels. Cinemax. So it's easy layout. They got discounts. I'll leave those down below. So in case you want to subscribe to any of these channels. Major Black Friday sales going on right now. And Fire TV. Got these. Football. Endless hours of entertainment right here. Great stocking stuffer to give to anybody under 30 bucks for the 4K. And then the basic one is under 30 bucks. And all these movies you get Showtime. But really easy to set up. And you can always add your Bluetooth, live TV. You got PS View, Philo, Pluto, YouTube Sling, AT&T, Twitch. And if you guys need Twitch, that link will be down below. ESPN Plus. I got Disney. You can always buy the NBA League Pass. MLB TV. Options, channel guide, favorites, settings. Go up to settings, live TV. That. What? And you can always, Alexa, what is the hockey scores? Let's see.
Currently, the Blackhawks are tied with the Stars, 0-0. Currently, the Devils are tied with the Wild, 1-1.
Really cool. Let's go back, hit the back button. And you can see what you watched. MTV. And all you gotta do is hit download. There you go. It's really fast download too. You can always go up to your settings, TV shows, apps. I got a lot of apps. My Pluto, Batwoman, QVC, music, hockey, Disney Plus, Apple TV. See, I already got downloaded. WWE Network. Sign on really quick. Doesn't show no video. And it recommends Fight Club or Fight, DC Universe, Sling, Impact Plus, USA, TNT, BR, UFC, Shooter, Stars. That's at Boxing One, Cartoon Network, or Boomerang. And so much to choose from here. But I'll be going on Amazon Live. I'll leave the link down below for that. And if you guys want to see more, I'll be on in a couple hours doing Amazon Live. So, alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good night. And I'll show you one more settings. Pretty easy. Network, display, apps, equipment, live TV, Alexa, controller, Bluetooth. Video game controllers, you could do anything with the Bluetooth, like Xbox, PS4. Another Fire TV remote you could unpair. Bluetooth devices, headphones, keyboards, mouse, sound bars for preferences. And this is where you go for your updates on my Fire TV. I did a few when I got out of the box, so it's all set now. Definitely great Christmas gift to give somebody this year. If you don't know what to get somebody for under 30 bucks, this is the way to go. And they do have bundles where you get this and the dot, I think it's for 44 or something like that. But that's another good way to go with the bundle. So that is it, YouTubers. Hey, you guys have a good night. Be safe and happy Thanksgiving to all. Gobble gobble.